One of the reasons why we are here at the South by in Austin is really to identify what are the trends for mobility in the future.
Please help me welcome to the stage Head of Daimler and Mercedes-Benz Strategy and Case, Wilco Stark.
Our department looks into completely new ways regarding connectivity, autonomous driving, sharing and electrification. Just call it CASE. The trend here in South by Southwest, I think it's all around connectivity and technology. And this is what we want also to push forward within our CASE business unit within Mercedes-Benz. Artificial intelligence is absolutely crucial for self-driving cars. We talk about deep learning, and therefore we already send test fleets around the world for our self-driving car development, because the cars really have to learn different traffic conditions. This is actually what the future will look like. So the cockpit, will be pretty clean, seamless, a lot of digitalization, wide screens. And of course, when it comes to self-driving cars, we probably don't need a steering wheel anymore. The car is actually going to know you in the future, so you know what kind of music do you want to listen to, where do you want to go, what kind of temperature you would like to have, preconditioning of the air conditioning, etc. So this at the end means that driving is becoming much more convenient and comfortable. So the foundation actually is digitalization, and therefore with South by Southwest it's very important to get a feeling what are the new trends which are coming up and which we can also at the end incorporate in our cars.